Hi, I'm Sergio Plaza. I am the Executive Vice President of Business Operations, Strategy, and Development, and I'm here in McGregor, Texas. Just 11 months ago, this was the field of bluebonnets, but it was also the place of our dream location for our second facility for manufacturing excellence. And so I'm here to give you an update on what's going on here. We are now 11 months and completing the enclosure of our building. What remains are some activities along the exterior of the building, grading, dock area preparations, retaining walls, culverts. This is all now coming to conclusion. Our focus next is this very active production area. We are now entering the final stages of equipment commissioning. This gives us the opportunity to understand, test, calibrate, and tweak everything that's necessary for producing quality steel in this facility. We're excited about the fulfillment of what we set out to do, and that was to create additional quality capacity for our clients. One of the exciting things that's happening here on the production floor are the actual activities of the robotics. As we continue to drive towards completion of this project, we're bringing in people from all over, not only the allied teams. It's important that we're able to show what is happening in this facility, from understanding the production flow and manufacturing process from our parts department all the way through our assembly and welding areas. These feature a lot of the automation that we have invested in, including automated guided vehicles that are part of movement of parts to certain areas, but especially the collaboration that occurs between our team members as we look at increasing ways for us to produce better quality product for our clients.